In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Teachable free trial. During the trial, you can build out your courses, upload content, and explore the dashboard in depth. Just keep in mind that while you can set everything up, publishing and selling your courses publicly may require upgrading to a paid plan. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to Teachable's pricing page at teachable.com pricing. On this page, you'll see several plans, such as Builder, Growth, and Advanced. Each plan shows a start free trial option, making it easy to begin without committing right away. At the time of recording, most plans offer a 7-day free trial, though the exact terms can change, so take a quick look at the details shown on the page. Choose the plan you want to try. If you're just getting started, the Builder plan is a common choice, while Growth can be helpful if you're exploring more advanced features. Once you've decided, click Start Free Trial beneath that plan. This takes you to the account creation screen. Here, create your account by entering your name and email and setting a secure password you'll remember. If Teachable prompts you to confirm your email, open your inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. During the trial, you typically won't be charged until the period ends. That means you can explore the platform and test key features without paying up front. Use this time to create a course, organize your curriculum, upload videos or other lesson content, and customize your school's look and feel. You can also set up products and get familiar with the admin dashboard. This is the perfect moment to learn how everything fits together before you commit. As the trial end date approaches, decide whether Teachable is right for you. If it isn't, cancel before the trial expires to avoid being billed. You can find the exact renewal date in your billing or account settings. A simple tip is to set a reminder on your calendar so you don't miss the cutoff. If you're happy with the platform, you don't need to do anything. Your account will continue on the paid plan you selected, and you can publish and sell your course publicly. That's all there is to it. Visit the pricing page, start your free trial, create your account, explore the features, and then cancel or continue, whichever is best for you.